Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have Chili Mac. A real easy dinner to do during the busy Christmas season. Again, it can be prepared hours ahead of time and left in the slow cooker. So let's start. All right, as you can see here, I've got 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef that I'm frying up in a pan and seasoning with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And basically, you just want to cook this till the meat's done, and then drain it, and we'll be ready for the slow cooker. Okay, now with a slow cooker set on low, we add our cooked beef. And now we want to add one 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. If, for whatever reason, you can't find a can of 15-ounce crushed tomatoes, then just switch the two of them. Get a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Your chili will be a little thicker, but it'll be fine. And then we want to add 2 15-ounce cans of chili beans. Now that we have our 2 cans of beans added, it's time to add the spice mix, which is as follows. 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and salt and pepper. And then you just want to give this a stir around. Set the slow cooker to low, and you want to let this go for at least 1.5 hours before you make the mac. Okay, as you can see here, it's been about 90 minutes, and our chili is humming away. Again, generally, the longer you cook chili, the better end product is. And now I'm going to add 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Normally, I cook pasta about a minute less than the package directions. This time, I went about 90 seconds less to the minimum cooking time because, again, it's going to sit for at least 2-3 hours in the hot chili. So, again, we don't want pasta overcooked. And we're nearly done. There is only one real step. I'm going to give this a great big stir around. Okay, and now you just want to have, about a half a cup of chili sauce, maybe a little bit more. And then just give that a stir around and let this sit on low or keep warm. I turn mine to keep warm for, again, at least another 2 hours or until dinner time. Like I said, you can make this in the morning. So, that's Chili Mac. Perfect for a busy Christmas day, and it's done.